Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. This channel is mostly about growth stocks and about the stock that are about to break out. But recently I have started talking about cryptocurrencies because they are having insane run and monies are moving from growth stock to cryptocurrencies. We have we can look at different the cryptocurrencies, right? Especially the Dogecoin, which had an insane run up and it's coming down. But anyway, this particular video is about ETC, which is for Ethereum Classic, and I made few videos on Doge, and today's video is on ETC. So basically in this particular video I'll talk about the price action, what we are expecting, and also some important things you should know if you want to invest heavily on Ethereum Classic, because there are a few things you need to know if you're really investing on this particular stock. And also end of the video I'll talk about ETH, which is Ethereum, and also the price target and also the price action. But first of all, very important thing, if you are playing with any kind of crypto and if you're really not long term, you need to have a strong stomach because the volatility is so high. You can see for ETC within the same day it moved from $80, it went all the way to 180, so double. So 80 to 100% volatility in the same day. So you need to have a strong stomach if you're here for a quick swing. If you're a long-term investor, 5 to 10 years, maybe the case is different. But if you're here and you're bringing money from your regular stock, investing in crypto, you really need to have a strong stomach, because within the same day the price can fluctuate a lot, 50 to 80%, and you need to hold strong. What you can see that ETC here, it was around $29-30, right? From 30 it went all the way to close to 186 times. Then it came back and currently it is consolidating around this area, correct? So in this particular video I will also talk about the price action, support, resistance, and the pattern I'm seeing, which can go either ways. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I will be making more and more cryptocurrency related videos in this particular channel. So if you're a cryptocurrency lover, then I think this is a spot you can consider. So let's look at the chart first of all. Normally what we call a bull flag. So let's see why I'm calling it a bull flag here. So let's see, we have a long run up. Then if I draw something like this, right, you can always draw, there is nothing wrong if you want to draw something like this. So this is what we call bull flag here, right? So you had a massive run up. Now you are forming a flag, a triangular flag, which can move in either direction, right? Which can move in either direction. It can either go up or it can either go down. But normally when there is a big run up and when it is consolidating, most of the time it goes on the upper side. But again, this is cryptocurrency. Sometimes the technical analysis pattern does not work. It just moves on its own way. So it can happen. But if you look at a daily RSI and MACD, look at the RSI. We are around 95. 100 is the max, 95. Now we are around 76. We are cooling a little bit off. And also look at the MACD, the line. Still we are very, very high. And it is very well expected, because when there is a run up of 6 times, then the RSI should come down and it needs to cool off. But the good thing is, if the consolidation is happening in a range, then maybe it is preparing for a next run. So that is also a good sign, because I have been watching, and whenever the price is coming around this area, 110ish area, I'm just adding more, because I think this is a good price before the next one happens. It can come down again, but we do not know. Now let's look at a 15-minute chart instead of a daily chart. Sometime a lower time frame can give you a better perspective. So look at the chart here. Maybe I can just update the lines better here. So look at the chart. Maybe on a 15-minute you will get a better picture, right? So you see, going up and down with time, it is squeezing and squeezing, and we are almost at the verge of the triangle. So it can go either way. It can go up or it can go down. So be very, very careful. If it comes down, then what's the next support? And if it goes up, what is the next resistance? So in terms of support, I think around 110, this is a very good support, because you can see that Previously this area was resistance, then this area became support back to back many times. So if it comes down, maybe 110 could be a support. But if this is broken, then how far we can go down? Maybe we will come around this area, which is around 97, or you can say $100. But keep that in mind, it has a massive run up. But if it goes up, how far it can go up? There is no limit to touch the sky. But 136, I see a resistance here. And if you go even more, then I see around maybe this area, 152. So starting from here, if we start going up, maybe 136 and 152 would be the resistance. And if it comes down, maybe 110 and 97 would be the resistance. But keep that in mind, it needs volume. You see the long volumes here, and the share price was going up. Now the volume is dying. You see the bars are getting smaller and smaller. The volume is getting down. So again, we need to see how Monday will happen. Today is Sunday, so people might be relaxing. They are not heavily invested. Doge is coming down, so people might be thinking where to go next. So again, we need to see. If we see a big volume coming, maybe we will see another push. Now the most important thing, you can play ETC whatever you want. If you're long term, I don't see any issue, but if you're short term, you need to have a strong stomach, because as I told you, it can move a lot. Now, what is the price target? So it's a cryptocurrency, it's very hard to get a price target, but I was looking at different sources, and what I found that it has a price target of like around $500 by 2028. By 2025, the price target is around 350. The current price is around, I guess we are around 117. This is the current price, 181. So end of 2021 is saying about 181 USD here, right? And we are definitely below 181 USD, but with time you see it's growing and growing. But again, it's the cryptocurrency. It is so many things can come and change this forecast, right? I'm just sharing, but it's not that this is 100% correct that by 2025 it will go to 352. Now let's look at the most important things. What's the difference between Ethereum and Ethereum Classic? Because some people might be thinking it's the same thing. So Ethereum, the original ETH is very expensive, so why not buy Ethereum Classic at a cheaper price, and maybe Ethereum will go to $1,000 or $2,000. But these two are completely different, because this is very important to know if you're holding ETC, that initially the Ethereum blockchain was published as one network in which transactions were facilitated, right? But in June 2016, the blockchain was hacked and 50 million worth of funds were stolen. You see, the security is a big issue. As a result, a split of hard fork was performed to secure the network. Ethereum Classic emerged as a split version of Ethereum blockchain, and the other being Ethereum. So then the main one became Ethereum Classic and Ethereum. So ETC and ETH, these are two different things. So it also talks about the concern of Ethereum Classic, the security and everything. So many things I'm not covering here, but keep that in mind. ETC and ETH, they are not the same thing. The other important thing I want to cover here, what is called 50% attack. Let me find the article. Where is my article? 50% attack. Yeah, there's the article, sorry. So the cost of 50% attack. So what is 50% attack, right? So Ethereum Classic suffered from 351% attack in August this year, throwing the blockchain survival into question, and that's a report from September 2020. So what is 50% attack? This is very important to know, correct? 50% attack refers to an attack on a proof of work blockchain where an attacker or a group of attackers gain control of 51% or more of computing power. So 51% attack is very important, because this is more than half. So if they can attack, they can change everything. The cryptocurrency value can come down, and blockchain has suffered 3 times 51% attack. So this is not really good for ETC. I also want to show you the list of the attacks for other cryptocurrencies. So look at the list. The blockchains have suffered 51% attack include ETC, Feathercoin, Bitcoin Gold, Vertcoin and Verge, right? So 51% attack is not something you need to know, because ETC was attacked many times, and the security of a cryptocurrency is very important. If more attacks happening, the share price can, not the share price, the currency price can go down a lot. So why it is important? Why it is important? Because we have seen that the original split was because of security of Ethereum Classic and Ethereum. So you need to know that. On the other hand, ETH2 is something. So the original Ethereum, they are coming up with Ethereum 2.0, and ETH2 refers to a set of interconnected upgrades that will make Ethereum more scalable, more secure, and more sustainable. These upgrades are being built by multiple teams from across the Ethereum ecosystem. So we know the Ethereum is going higher, and whenever the ETH2 will come, definitely it will go higher. The original Ethereum price target is around 10,000, and definitely it will go higher, and you can always buy fractional share for Ethereum. ETH something I'm thinking on a longer term, because you can see how the share price is going, not the share price again, cryptocurrency price for ETH is going on. So this is my long-term investment on ETH. On the other hand, ETC is my short term. I just want to run, and if there is a run up, I will go and I will just take the profit. But if it really dips down a lot, I will add heavily. Anyway, my friend, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to this particular channel. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.